Oh, this? I always wear this when I'm doing reviews of the new John Wick from Diamond Select Toys. Yo everybody, this is Rock with the Great, aka the Toy Book, and in today's video I'm coming to you with another toy review. Now I am excited about this John Wick figure. I was excited about the other one that they made, and I have that one. We will be doing a comparison to the first John Wick action figure that they made. And this one comes with really cool accessories, and I can't wait to go over this. This one comes with a lot of weapons too, and a lot of just cool accessories, man. I am excited about this one. Look at that. Ooh, we are going to be opening this guy up. We are going to be doing a full review and comparison to the other Diamond Select toys. So without any wasting, we are going to open this up. We're going to take a look at the accessories first. Then we're going to be taking a look at the figure and all the articulation. So stay tuned. I am excited about this one. This one is sick. I am so glad that Diamond Select got the license for John Wick, because there are other John Wick figures and they are so expensive. So this one only costs you $30. You get a ton of accessories, and it's a good way for someone who can't spend $90 on an action figure to get John Wick and have a cool action figure of John Wick. So I'm very excited. The price point is really what sells these figures. On top of it, really good head sculpts, really good likeness on Keanu. I think almost better than the likeness on some of the other companies that made this guy. So we're gonna be opening him up. Let's do it right now. I can't wait, and let's come right back. Okay, now this, knowing people in the toy community, people might buy this figure just for the accessories alone. This thing is stocked. This thing is jam-packed. Now, the other John Wick figure came with a bunch of accessories, but this one might take the cake. So we're gonna go over everything slowly because there's so much to go through right now. First of all, we're gonna talk about the dog. He comes with the dog. It's soft rubber. It's softer than the other dog from this other figure. Was much harder. So interesting. Soft rubber, but it's still a nice figure. It's a dog. What are you gonna do? Then I believe this is like a life-size corn. Oh, it opens? Whoa, wait a second. This opens. Hold on, let me see if I could open this. Now, I tried and I couldn't get this thing open. It feels like this thing pops open, so good luck if you can get it. I cut my finger trying to get this open. Either way, let's move on. It's not that important. So let's get into all the cool accessories. Now, there is this really nice box that John Wick keeps his weapons in. And the cool thing about this is it comes with another weapon. So we have another pistol. The pistol goes in here and the two clips go in here. Do they go in the gun? Wait a second. No. So the pistol goes in here and the two clips go in here. Now the clips don't fit in the gun. There's no hole for the clips, but this is still like a really cool thing to have. Like, you could even, if you wanted with a Punisher, you could put this with the Punisher. It even closes. Look at that. That's very cool. People are always looking for stuff like this. So that's one gun. Then he has this fancy gun. I don't know what these things are called, so I'm not even gonna try. And it's cool because it comes with the two clips upside down, or magazines. Again, I don't know. People are always sticklers for that stuff. I'm not knowledgeable in that area. So we have another pistol, and then we have another pistol. Now that this pistol goes inside this belt, so that's really cool. Now this belt another pistol goes in here. So there's two pistols in here, and then three either clips or magazines. You're gonna have to sue me. I don't know what they're called, but then this belt is really cool. Now this belt on the John Wick figure, I'm gonna put it on later, and it's gonna be cool to see. A really cool thing that I love, he comes with the one coin, and then he comes with a handful of coins, and then he comes with the hand that's giving a coin. So these are those coins that, you know, for the secret hotel thing. I actually forgot all the names of, I know they had like all, man, I'm blanking on it right now, but this is probably the craziest thing right here. This is a pencil hand. So look at that. He comes with the pencil hand. Now, if anyone watched the movie, you know what this pencil hand is. What a crazy accessory. I think that's great. I like that Diamond Select actually had fun with these accessories, and you don't really see many guns anymore with toys, like on the toy shelves and stuff. So I'm glad that Diamond Select, I mean, John Wick is nothing without, I mean, he's not nothing without the guns, but that's pretty much what John Wick is about. He has all these guns and he's really good and he shoots a million people, and it's just, you know how it is in action. It's definitely why I think it was so successful was it felt like an 80s action movie that came out recently, and I think that's what the allure was for me, at least in the beginning of the when the first movie came out. I just loved it right from the beginning. So here are all the accessories. Now we're gonna change up the scenery and we're gonna look at the figure, and then we're gonna look at the comparison of that figure, of the John Wick figure right now, to the last release from Diamond Select. So let's get to it. Alright, so here we are up close. We're just gonna take a look at him. Now again, they got the likeness pretty great, I have to say. Look at that. They got all the articulation from the last one. We have, I think we even have butterfly joints, but again, the jacket hinders it, and I believe the articulation even hinders it. So the item can make a butterfly joint movement, but I don't know, I'm not seeing them there, but it does make that articulation movement. But double jointed elbows, boom, right there. The hands are swappable, as you saw already with the accessories. He can make a full seat, like he could sit, where is it? He could sit fully. He double jointed knees, always good right there. Full ankle rockers. Let's see. He's got the ab crunch, but it doesn't really do much. It's more of like just for the rotation. I don't think he has a waist rotation, so this is more probably just so he could do more poses like, yeah, like I said in a lot of past videos, with NECA and McFarlane and Diamond Select Toys, you're gonna wanna try to heat up the figure first to get like the best posing possibilities out of it. A lot of the plastics that they use are, they get like stuck a little bit sometimes, and you don't want to force it, you don't want to break it. Now let's compare it to the other one. So here is the John Wick figure from the first movie, but it came out second, which is probably a smart move because people wanted the John Wick look. So you go with the white shirt first. Here's the first release, and here's the first movie, second release John Wick. And I think it's just the way they're standing. I believe these should be the same height. I think it's just the way they're standing. They should be the same height. Now the faces look completely different, and they look both like Keanu Reeves, which is weird. I don't know how that is a thing. They both look like Keanu Reeves, and they both look different at the same time. Now the second one is tanner for sure, but I feel like they're both right. I don't know which one looks more like him. So you're gonna have to leave a comment down below and let me know which one you think looks more like John Wick. Now he has a plain white shirt in this one, and then he has his black vest with the black shirt, with the black tie, with the black coat. Very classic John Wick. That's what I think of when I think of John Wick. This one is cool, but this is John Wick to me, so I'm excited to have this one. I'm gonna put his weapons on him and we're gonna see how he looks. Alright, so I tried to get the belt on him, and just the belt was not trying to go on him, so I gave up trying after like 20 minutes, but here we are. This is the John Wick figure from Diamond Select Toys. It's only 30 bucks, definitely worth the buy, especially for the accessories. Even if you don't like John Wick, go pick up this figure. Very cool. Lots of stuff comes with it. I'm really happy, and there's a lot of possibilities for some cool toy photography. So I just want to say thank you guys for watching. This is Rocco the Great, aka the Toy Bookie. Hope you enjoyed the toy review. Check out my channel. I do a lot of other toy reviews. I do diorama tutorials. I do action figure hunts. I do toy hunts, a flea market. I do a lot of stuff on this channel. Definitely check it out. And thank you to all my Patreon members. Link down below if anyone wants to join. You guys help this channel get more content on it. I upload more videos, and the quality of the content gets better. With all the money you guys donate, it goes right back into the channel, so much appreciated. Thank you guys. Definitely check out this figure. Very cool. I give it the approval, and I can't wait to take some toy photography shots. Thanks for watching, guys. This was Rocco the Great, and we're out of here. Peace. Do you like toy photography? Do you like tricks and tips? Then follow me over at @TheToyBookie on Instagram. Bye. I always... Okay. Oh, hey, this? Oh, I always dress like this when I'm doing reviews of the new John Wick from Diamond Select Toys. Let's go to the review station. Okay, one more. Woo! I put on a look. Oh, this? I always dress like this when I'm doing reviews of the new John Wick Diamond Select Toys. Woo! Alright, that should be good enough for that one.